Okay, huge tip we're seeing a lot of these days is that why you really shouldn't be shopping around to get a mortgage. Some people come to us and they've been to us. They're going to go 3 or 4 other mortgage brokers. They're going to go to their bank. They're going to go to their credit union. Talk to all those folks. Now, you might want to have conversations, decide who you're going to work with. But here's a few things to remember. Nearly everybody has the same rate. If they don't have the same rate now, they're going to get to approximately the same rate. And they do have vastly different terms. They do have vastly different strategies. They do vastly different qualifications. So really, this is something to really keep in mind, that like shopping around for rate, generally a bad idea. Okay? The other thing to really keep in mind as well is we see a lot of people turn down because they put an application in through this broker or this bank to find the loan was government guaranteed, or it was or they're spending the same lender. And even if your address history was different or your employment history is different, all those things can mean that you get turned down because your application gets red flagged. Secondly, if you have more than one application in the system, you may just slow an application down. You have to have all those ones canceled if they all get approved at the same time. So it's really important to know that that can really slow things down and can cause some delays in the meantime. So never really a good idea to do that. Now, obviously, some skepticism as a commission salesperson why we would be telling you that. So, the best thing you do is always pick the person that you feel most is looking out for your interest, most is looking out for your desires that you're looking for. That's how you're going to pick your mortgage person the very best. Remember, the independent broker has no obligation to look after just the bank's interest. Now, a local bank or a local credit union, they must have their legal obligations to look after the interests of just their institution and not the customer itself, which is vastly different than what is happening for us. We have to look after both parties' interests, both the lender and our customers, to make sure we're doing right by all those parties. So that's really important as well. So the best thing to do is pick the person that you feel most comfortable doing that. The second thing to really keep in mind is that when you're choosing someone like a broker, we're not competing with those banks. We're going to go to your TDs. We're going to go to your credit union. We're going to go to your Scotiabanks. We're going to negotiate a deal on your behalf with those lenders. So you're not really saying no to those people, and you're not really saying that you don't want to use them, or you're not really saying that you won't use them. We're going to look at them as an option. So anyway, if you want to use our services, or if you're looking for more information on that, please reach out. We'd be happy to help with that.